So, ayan na si Love. Ano ba yan? Ay, Love, what are you doing?
Digging a hole for the bamboo. And I put dead fish in the hole. And then put the bamboo on top of the dead fish.
Zira, say hi, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hi everyone, welcome to Zayda's Mama and Dada's YouTube channel. So today is Sunday, the 28th of April, and currently, say hi. Currently, yung weather is makulimlim, pero okay lang kasi ang temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. Yun nga lang, walang araw. Kaya yung 16 degrees Celsius compared dati, nung naglakad-lakad ako dito sa property ng aking in-laws is mas malamig. So, ngayon is, like what I have mentioned Sunday, i-share namin sa inyo kung paano ba yung simpleng buhay namin dito sa countryside sa Connecticut. So, right now, si Love ay, hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa niya. Basta yung mga dead fish, ibabaon niya dun sa lupa as a para maging fertilizer, tapos itatanim niya din yung kanyang mga bamboos. So ayun ang aming agenda for today, so samahan nyo kami. So ayan si Love, yan ang kanyang ginagawa, binabaon niya dyan yung mga dead fish para nga gawing fertilizer, kasi ito yung pinagtataniman ng aking mga in-laws. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung itatanim nila dito eh. So para maging maganda yung lupa and mas maging healthy yung mga halaman na ilalagay dito, yan, ginagamit nilang pataba or fertilizer yung dead fish. Kasi yung aking father-in-law is, hindi naman siya fisherman, pero nagfi-fishing siya. Kaya madalas marami siyang mga fish. Kaya nga minsan binibigyan niya ako ng ng mga huli niya. Katulad ng sea bass, ganyan. So meron ako laging libreng fish. Si Richie kasi hindi siya kumakain ng ng seafood. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
So these are some disgusting fish carcasses my father had for the garden. Well, he caught them in the ocean and figures I have nothing better to do than to put them into the garden. So I'm here putting the disgusting fish carcasses into the garden. This is a disgusting fish carcass to give the baby nightmares.
Whatever, love. Zayda's not gonna have nightmares because of that. So, ayan yung mga fish.
Peppa loves disgusting fish carcass. Everyone loves disgusting fish carcass. Did you get my funny joke?
No. Pagka nagjo-joke yan sila, hindi ko na iintindihan.
She never films my jokes. She films everything.
I am filming it. I'm telling them that whenever you make a joke, I always don't get it. I don't understand
How
what
do you not understand? It's a Peppa the Pig joke.
Peppa the Pig. Peppa Pig love, not Peppa the Pig.
Peppa loves disgusting fish carcass.
That's not Peppa the Pig.
Everyone
Peppa's
loves
not saying
disgusting
that.
fish carcass. That's how every episode ends. Peppa loves muddy puddles. Everyone loves muddy puddles.
Lalaki ng mga fish,
Ew, I got some on me.
Sobrang diring-diri siya dyan sa mga fish kasi nga hindi siya kumakain ng ng seafood. Ayaw na ayaw niya ng amoy niyan. Kaya yung mga fish na binigay sa akin ng aking father-in-law, sabi niya, huwag mo lulutuin yan pagka andito ako. Ayaw niya ng amoy. So, ayan si Zaira. Ay, naku, tumatayo siya. Go, steady, steady up. Wow! Say hi, everyone. Zaira, look at the camera. Say hi. Nakakamahulog. Natatakot ako. Zaira, say hi, everyone. Hello, everyone. So ayan ang clouds ngayon. Kaya makulimlim kasi sobrang dilim ng clouds. Pero dito kasi kahit madilim yung clouds, it doesn't mean na uulan siya. Yun nga lang, nakukover niya yung sun. Kaya yan, walang araw. Pero okay pa rin naman kasi nga very tolerable ang temperature ngayon para lumabas. So ito, sabi nila weed daw to. Hindi ko alam kung meron tayo nito sa Pilipinas, dandelions. Pero ang ganda niya tingnan. Pero sabi nila, ano lang daw yan, weed. Tumutubo na siya dahil spring na nga. Ayan sila. Yan. Cute diba? Parang siyang daisy. Ayan. So dito yung mga horses ng aking mother-in-law. Hindi ko alam po nasa yung mga horses. Kanina nakita ko, hindi ko alam po saan nagpunta. Dalawa yun, isang white and isang black. Tapos ito yung barn. Ayan. Tapos ayun, andun sila. Dito rin, minsan andito yung mga kabayo ng aking mother-in-law. Ayan, medyo maaraw na. Medyo lumabas yung araw. So, ayan si Zaira. Pinaupo ko dyan sa grass para masanay siya dyan. Hi, Zaira! Mukha naman nag-e-enjoy siya. By the way guys, isa din sa mga reason kung bakit kami nagbo-vlog or mga reason kung bakit namin sinishare yung aming life dito sa Connecticut para at least yung mga tao sa Philippines na makakapanood ng aming mga videos is maging aware din kung paano ba yung buhay dito sa state na to. Kasi normally sa Philippines, diba, ang mga state lang nakilala pagka dito sa United States is California, New York, Texas, Florida, yung ganyan. And majority of the Filipinos, sa tingin ko, ay hindi aware na ang Connecticut is nag-e-exist. Kumbaga, hindi familiar sa state na to. So, ayun. Pero kasi, yung place naman kung saan kami nakatira, ano siya countryside. Meron ding mga places dito sa Connecticut na city. Tulad ng Hartford. Yun yung, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, parang capital or main city dito sa aming state. So, ayun. And kung paano ba mamuhay dito sa probinsya type sa Amerika. Iba-iba rin kasi, iba-iba yung itsura ng countryside dito, depende sa state. So, ayan na si Love. Ano ba yan? Ay, Love, what are you doing?
I'm digging a hole for the bamboo, and I put dead fish in the hole, and then put the bamboo on top of the dead fish. But look, this shovel, I think, I'm only a little bit older than this shovel. It's been around almost as long as I've been around.
Yeah, so Love is 37 years old, turning 38.
So I think this shovel is like 25 years old.
So sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, magka-age ko na Love. Mas matanda lang ako sa kanya ng months kasi May ako. May 1986. Siya ay August 1986. So dyan niya itatanim yung mga bamboos.
One variety goes there, and the other variety is here. I have to try and grow it as many different ways as possible to try and get the best results possible, because you don't know exactly what's going to work. Some people say to put bamboo in the shade, but I know that bamboo likes sun. A lot of people who know about bamboo say bamboo likes sun. Other people say bamboo does not like sun. Some people say you'll get full size in 1 or 2 years. Other people say it takes 5 years to get full size. Everybody has different opinions from their own experience, but I think it's always different.
Yeah. So medyo malikot yung camera kasi si Zeta ang likot. Karga-karga ko siya. Ayan, lumabas na ang araw. Medyo clear na ang sky. So, ito lang yung kagandahan pag nakatira ka sa countryside. Makakapagtanim ka. Tapos, mas malaki yung place mo, yung space mo. Mas malawak yung lupa. Hindi siya crowded. Kasi pag tinignan nyo dito, yung mga kapitbahay is, yung mga bahay, I mean, hindi siya magkakalapit. So, meron kang peace. So, kung gusto mo is peace, tahimik, and hindi ka naman city person, ayun, mas maganda talagang tumira sa countryside. So, ayan na yung mga fish na ano ba yun? Nabubulol ako. Gagawing fertilizer.
This isn't normal unless you live somewhere where they eat fish. If you eat a lot of fish and have a garden, I guess it's normal. But for me, this is not normal. But my landlord used to do this. He's the one who taught me to garden. He didn't do it like this though. He would throw like 1 or 2 fish into the compost pile. This is fucking ridiculous. It sucks because it's frozen. You should grow one with fish and one without fish. Let's see how it goes. And this is what we're gonna do. Just gonna mash it into chunks. In the hole.
So, ayan si Love, dinidiligan niya na yung lupa. Pero wala pa yung mga bamboos doon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit niya dinidiligan. Love, why are you watering the soil?
You're supposed to do this when you plant stuff. They don't like to dry out, they like to be wet. So you fill up the hole with water and then it's wet. If you don't, then it's dry. It's gonna be unhappy.
So ganun daw pala yun. Wala kasi akong alam sa garden.
And this is the most critical time of transplanting things, is the first day or week or month. I don't know any way to do this gently.
Ayan na si Love. Ita-transfer na niya yung mga bamboos doon sa hole na dinig niya. Hopefully maging successful naman ang pagpa-plant niya nitong mga bamboos na ito. Kasi kung napanood nyo yung isang video namin, medyo mahal niya nabili yung mga bamboos na yan, $90 for 3. So sayang naman kung hindi siya mabubuhay. Pero sobrang nagre-research siya kung paano ba mag-alaga and magtanim ng mga bamboos. So sana mag-work. Mahilig kasi siya sa mga halaman, sa gardening, ganyan. So yun yung isa. And then dito naman yung isa sa kabila. Love, they are seeing your puwet. Love, why do you like planting bamboos? Tell them.
Well, it's supposedly valuable. There's supposed to be a potential to make money. Other than that, it's just nice. Everybody likes bamboo. They say it's the most useful plant out of all the plants. And it's also the most beautiful.
Love, can you change your blocking? Because your puwet is showing the camera.
Well, you know. No choice.
Naririnig nyo ba yun? Sabi ni Love yun daw ay woodpecker. How about the other bamboos, Love? You're just gonna transfer too?
Yeah, because I want to grow the other two in the pots. Because maybe that's going to work good and something bad could happen over here. So I have to diversify the methodology.
Diba? May pa diversify methodology. Pero okay naman yun. Mas maganda nga yung ganun para malaman kung ano ba yung mag-work pagka nandito ba siya pinlant sa direkta sa soil or sa lupa o sa pot. Pero sana mag-work siya parehas para hindi masayang ang pera. So ayun lang for today's video, guys. Thank you so much again for supporting Zayda's Mama and Dada's YouTube channel. See you again soon. Bye bye.